Okay, we got back a little bit ago from picking up a few fish. We're gonna start off slowly so that I don't skyrocket the ammonia level from having a new tank and dumping a bunch of fish in there. So today we picked up 3 of the Glo Tetras and 2 puffer fish. Let me see if I can, they're so cute. And we got 2 Cory Cats. Oh, there's one back there. In the back. And we have a bunch of ghost shrimp and some snails for the puffer fish. So it looks super pretty. Our water was perfect, so we were able to pick some fish up today, and we'll probably get a few more each week once I make sure that the water doesn't get all jacked up. And then I picked up a new light. Let me show you. It's so cool to go with these glow fish. Hold on, let me turn the white light off. There we go. And the Glo Tetras, they're not injected or painted or anything like that. It's a, what? Fluorescent gene that they have in them. And it's obviously much easier to see them underneath the blue light. I love how pretty it looks with the fluorescent light on. So that is where we're at so far today. I will update you guys when we get more. There's a couple others that I'm hoping to get, but I'm really excited about the puffer fish. They're super active. They like to play in the bubbles, which is really cute. So everybody seems to be doing well. They've been in the water for, what, a couple hours now? Yeah, and everybody's moving around and doing great. So I'm super happy. All right, you guys take care. Remember, there are no such thing as disabilities, only different abilities. I'll talk to you guys soon. God bless.